Okay. The very first question now. Health conditions in Champaran were miserable, tolerable, under control, fairly good.
Option A.
Option A, good, miserable. Who volunteered to work in Champaran? Two disciples of Gandhi and their wives, Kasturba and the eldest son of Gandhi, Mahadev Desai and his wife, Narhari Prasad and his wife. Who volunteered?
Option B.
Option A, remember two disciples of Gandhi and their wives, they volunteered to work when he opened 6 primary schools. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The representative of the planters offered to return -% to the peasants. 5%, 10%, 20% or 25%?
25%.
25%, good. For how long did Gandhi remain in Champaran? 7 weeks, 3 months, 1.5 years, or 7 months? Uninterrupted, okay, continuously Gandhiji remained in Champaran. For how many months? How many?
For 3 months.
No, 7 months continuously. Do you remember 7 months? And then later on, he paid short visits. Okay. So continuously for 7 months, he stayed in Champaran. Dhyan rakhna beta. What amount of repayment did the big planters think Gandhi would demand? What amount of repayment did the big planters think Gandhi would demand? First one, repayment in full. Second one, double the amount. Third one, 50% of the amount. And last one, no payment, just an apology.
No
Option
payment,
A.
just an apology. Do
50%.
No, beta.
Ma'am, option A.
A,
Full
repayment
payment.
in full. Okay. अब वो प्लांटर्स ने तो सोचा था गांधी जी is going to demand the full payment, okay, that they had taken from the sharecroppers, but Gandhi ji, you know, he demanded only 50%. Got it? Later on, when he
Yes, ma'am.
demanded 50%, the representative of the planters, he offered to return 25%, on which Gandhi ji agreed. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले तो उनको लगा कि गांधी जी पूरा पेमेंट मांगेंगे, लेकिन गांधी जी ने बोला 50%, ओके। लेकिन फिर जब देखा कि गांधी जी 50 मांग रहे हैं, तो वो उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ने गांधी जी को, है ना, रिक्वेस्ट करा टू टेक 25% ऑफ द रिफंड। और बड़े आश्चर्य की बात है, कहते हैं कि गांधी जी ही अग्रीड ऑन 25%। तो गांधी जी ने कहा था ना कि द अमाउंट दैट वाज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट, ओके। मेन चीज उनकी प्रेस्टीज खत्म हो गई थी। गांधी जी वाज समन्ड बाय डैश द लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर, ओके। फर्स्ट वन सर एडवर्ड गेट, सेकंड वन सर हेनरी गेट, थर्ड वन सर रिचर्ड एंड्रयूज, एंड फोर्थ वन सर प्रायर एंड्रयूज।
Sir Edward. Option A.
Edward
Option A.
Gate 1. Oh, sorry, A1. Who were ready to follow Gandhi into jail? Peasants, lawyers, Shukla, J.B. Kriplani.
Option B.
Ma'am, option A.
B, lawyer friend, you know, they were ready to follow Gandhiji into jail. Do you remember when Gandhiji, they said that when Gandhiji, he would go into jail, then there was nothing. So this thing that they would remain in Champaran, okay, when Then Gandhiji told that civil disobedience movement had decided, Gandhiji had put up a question to them, what about the sharecroppers? Do you remember? They thought that they had come to assist Gandhiji if he would not be there in Champaran. So there wouldn't be any use of those loyal friends, okay, to stay in Champaran. So they decided to leave Champaran once Gandhiji is away from Champaran. तो इस पॉइंट पर गांधी जी ने पूछा था कि what about the problems of sharecroppers? Then they withdrew to consult, okay? फिर उन्होंने consultation करा था and they came to the point कि yes, you know, they were ready to follow Gandhi into jail. Then Gandhi took a pen and a paper and he made the pairs according to which they have to give the court arrest in case if Gandhiji was arrested. ध्यान आया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And that is why I am saying Indigo chapter बहुत important है, उसको पढ़िएगा ध्यान से. Okay? The magistrate asked Gandhi to furnish bail for dash minutes. You know, when he was there in the court, he read a statement pleading guilty. He said that he was involved in the conflict of duties. He did not want to set an example, okay, of a lawbreaker, but on the other hand, you know, uh, rendering or giving humanitarian services, that was more important, okay, than obeying the laws, and that was the main reason he disobeyed the law. What was the law? To leave Champaran district. It was served by the messenger. ना? ध्यान
Yes,
आया?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सब भूल रहे हैं मेरा
Yes,
इंडिगो
ma'am.
इतना इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है, जब भी मैंने कहा उसको रिवाइज करो अच्छे से. फिर मजिस्ट्रेट ने कहा था कि आफ्टर यू नो 2 hours के बाद ही वुड अनाउंस द जजमेंट एंड ऑल, और गांधी जी को बोला कि यू कैन टेक बेल फॉर 2 hours, तो 120 minutes के लिए जिस पर गांधी जी ही रिफ्यूज टू टेक बेल, ओके. तो जब गांधी जी ने मना कर दिया तो जज ने ऐसे ही उन्हें बिना बेल के ही वाज बीइंग रिलीज्ड. समझ में आया? तो आंसर होगा इसका 120 minutes. Each and every line should be read carefully, beta. See, how did Gandhi behave with the officials outside the court? Demonstrated his power, was firm and resolute. He said that he would disobey the order or cooperated with them. When Gandhiji received a call from the court, okay, a summon from the court, okay, in the morning, what did he see around the courthouse? Thousands of sharecroppers, peasants, they had gathered. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Some came on their own vehicles, some in the bullock carts and all, some on foot. And they did not know about Gandhi's record in South Africa. They only knew that the saint who had come to help him was in some trouble with the authorities. Do you remember जब गांधी जी ने कहा था कि when he saw thousands of peasants gathered around the courthouse, he understood now that it was the liberation of fear that they had in their heart. Now that fear, you know, it was eradicating when they saw their courage, their bravery. Okay, they became so fearless that thousands of sharecroppers, they had gathered around the courthouse. So the British officials, you know, they felt very powerless. Why? Because they were unable to control the crowd. So they asked Gandhiji, and Gandhiji cooperated with those officials in controlling the crowd. समझ में आया? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा बेटा?
Cooperation.
D option.
D, one cooperated.
Option
with.
D.
Yes. Why did Gandhi start out on the back of an elephant? A peasant had been maltreated in a village nearby. He set out to meet the secretary of British Landlord Association. He set out to meet British official commissioner. He was summoned by Sir Edward Gates, the Lieutenant Governor. What will be the answer? Very, very challenging ना this multiple choice. अच्छा सा challenge मिल रहा है आज तुम्हें.
Yes.
He heard the news that a peasant had been maltreated in the nearby village. समझ में आया है किसी peasant के साथ बड़ा दुर्व्यवहार हुआ था, तो उसको देखने के लिए गांधी जी he started out on an elephant back where he was stopped, okay, by a messenger from the government, from the police, who served him a notice to leave Champaran at once, okay, और बोला था to return to his place. गांधी जी लौट भी गए थे, है ना. उन्होंने एक मकान ले रखा था जिसको उन्होंने अपना एक वो ऑफिस टाइप बना रखा था, where he was staying and from where he carried out all the activities. So he returned there. The official, he served him with the, or the messenger, he served him with the message, with the order rather we can say, to leave Tirhut division or Champaran at once. Gandhiji, he signed on this, on that, okay, but he wrote that he will not leave Champaran. अब जब उन्होंने मना कर दिया था तो क्या हुआ था? A call was there for him from the court. Okay, he was summoned to the court, and next day when he reaches to the court, then he found thousands of peasants. They had gathered around the courthouse. Remember or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is stunned कि मैम कौन से क्वेश्चन पूछे बेटा, ये सारे चैप्टर के ही हैं, उसको रिवाइज करिए अच्छी तरह. Okay. After Tirhut, where did Gandhi go? लखनऊ, मोतीहारी, कानपुर और अहमदाबाद?
Motihari.
Motihari. that is
Motihari.
What happened when Gandhi visited the secretary of British Landlord Association? ध्यान है, उसने धमकाया था और उसने कहा था कि तुरंत छोड़ दो चंपारण. The secretary proceeded to bully him. The secretary advised him forthwith to leave Tirhut. Okay. The secretary said that they could give no information to an outsider. The secretary was very helpful.
B.
C1. Okay, पहले तो ये कहा था कि वो कोई information नहीं दे सकते किसी outsider को. Why was Gandhi not permitted to draw water from Rajendra Prasad's well? You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
With Rajkumar
Yes,
Shukla,
ma'am.
he had gone to Rajendra Prasad's house, but Mr. Rajendra Prasad, he was not there. So the servants, you know, they thought Gandhi, okay, to be a what? To be a poor peasant like Rajkumar Shukla, okay. So they knew Rajkumar Shukla very well because he had been coming there continuously. But they did not know Gandhi, neither they knew about Gandhi's record or something like that. So though they allowed Gandhiji to stay with Rajkumar Shukla, but they did not allow him to draw water from well. So the options are: the servant thought Gandhi was another peasant. B1, as Rajendra Prasad was not at home. Gandhiji looked like a vagabond. Gandhiji was a Harijan. Now you got the answer, I told you.
Option E.
A1, the servant thought Gandhi was another peasant, okay? A तो होगा बेटा. Rajendra Prasad was not at home. ये reason थोड़ी ना, they did not allow Gandhiji to draw water from the well. Why? Because they thought that he was like Rajkumar Shukla only and another peasant.
Yes,
Got it? वो नहीं जानते थे who was गांधी जी, या उनका क्या रिकॉर्ड है या कौन है, कुछ नहीं जानते थे वो गांधी जी के बारे में. सर्वेंट, उन्हें क्या लगा राजकुमार शुक्ला का ही कोई साथी है, तो इस बेसिस पर राजकुमार शुक्ला को दे न्यू वेरी वेल because every now and then he visited Rajendra Prasad's house. Okay, अपनी शेयर क्रॉपर्स की अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स लेके वो राजकुमार शुक्ला विजिट करता था. तो इस ग्राउंड पर उन्होंने राजकुमार शुक्ला को रहने दिया, लेकिन उन्हें गांधी जी को क्या समझा कि राजकुमार शुक्ला की तरह पुअर ह्यूमन है वो भी, और इस वजह से गांधी जी को भी अलाउ कर दिया था, बट ही वाज नॉट अलाउड टू ड्रॉ वाटर फ्रॉम वेल. क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Champaran district situated? In the southwest of Orissa, in the foothills of the Himalayas in Bihar, the northeast of Orissa, या in the south of Bihar?
Option B.
Option
B1.
okay, B1. What did the British landlord and from the peasants? What did the British landlords? Okay, 1 minute. What did the British landlords agree to take from the peasants after synthetic indigo was developed? Listen to it. What did the British landlords, okay, agree to take from the peasants after synthetic indigo was developed? First one, indigo as a rent. Second one, 15% of produce. Third one, money as compensation. And fourth one, a new settlement.
Option B.
Option B.
Nobody is clear, okay? Money as compensation. Okay, when they came to know better, the Britishers, they came to know the British landlords and all, ki by synthetic indigo had been developed in Germany. So they did not reveal the secret to the sharecroppers. They called him, they asked him if they wanted to be free from this agreement, okay, of 15%. Okay, या जो 2/3 agreement था ना, जिसमें पूरा commercial crop they had to hand over to the British landlords. तो of course they agreed, okay, many of them agreed, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा था to release you from this agreement, okay, इस agreement से release करने के लिए, ठीक है, इंडिगो वाले agreement से release करने के लिए you have to pay money as compensation. ध्यान आया? 15% of their holding उस पर इंडिगो क्रॉपिंग होती थी बेटा, and that had to be surrendered entirely to the British landlords. लेकिन मेरा क्वेश्चन था, what did the British landlords, okay, British landlords, they agreed to give to the peasants after, to take from the peasants after synthetic indigo was developed. Got it? सिंथेटिक इंडिगो के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ मैं, कमर्शियल इंडिगो नहीं, कि जब उनको मालूम पड़ा था कि सिंथेटिक इंडिगो जर्मनी ने बना लिया है, तो दे थॉट कि हम वही मंगाएंगे ना जो उनको शायद चीप भी पड़ रहा था, कन्वीनियंट भी था. तो दे कॉल द शेयर क्रॉपर्स और उनको ऑप्शन दिया इफ दे वांटेड टू बी फ्री फ्रॉम दिस अरेंजमेंट of sharecropping, okay? So yes, this arrangement, it was irksome, बड़ा troublesome था, problematic था, तो many of the sharecroppers they agreed, getting it? लेकिन उन्होंने एक शर्त रख दी कि if you want to be free from this arrangement, you have to pay money, okay, as compensation to us, है ना, मुआवजे के रूप में, उल्टा तुम हमें मनी दोगे to release you from this irksome agreement. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जब ही मैंने कहा रिवाइज कर लो चैप्टर. What were the places visited by Gandhi between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran? Okay, listen to the places. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna and Muzaffarpur. First option. Second one, Calcutta, Patna, Gaya and Muzaffarnagar. Third one, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Gaya, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur. And last option, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Patna and Muzaffarpur.
Option D.
Option
Option D.
डी नहीं है
मैम B.
उसमें।
A.
लिसन उसमें कैलकाटा भी तो था बेटा। ए वाला होगा ना, कानपुर, अहमदाबाद, गांधी जी गए थे अपने आश्रम। कैलकाटा ऑल्सो ही वेंट व्हेन ही वाज राजकुमार शुक्ला, जब गांधी जी ने कहा था on such and such date I will be in Calcutta, you better call me from there, okay, you better meet me there, sorry, okay. So he was sitting on his haunches when Gandhi ji came, you know, after finishing all his meetings and all. जब गांधी जी आए, राजकुमार शुक्ला, you know, he was waiting, ठीक है। तो वहां से लेकर फिर वो पटना गए थे, फिर मुजफ्फरपुर गए थे। रिमेम्बर बेटा?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बस आज इतने ही 15-16 क्वेश्चंस ही हुए, बिकॉज द चैप्टर इज आल्सो टू बी डिस्कस्ड, यू पीपल वर नॉट एबल टू आंसर करेक्टली, है ना। तो आप पूरा चैप्टर रिवाइज करिए एंड टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू, राइट?
Yes.
Thank you ma'am.
Yes,
थैंक यू,
ma'am.
गॉड ब्लेस यू।